Hey, so I don't usually do reviews on Saturdays, but I'm doing this guy and he's gonna take a week and a half. I can do a review video in like 3 days. Well, I could do it in 1 day, but a good one I can do in 3 days. And also, I'm gonna open up like 7 figures, 4 packs today. So let's do it. First off, I have Michelangelo and Chun Li from TMNT vs. Street Fighter, and they did these for the 25th anniversary of Street Fighter. Cool artwork on the back, but nothing too special. A lot of people didn't get these because they're so similar to, I have some of the original regular cartoon turtles that they did, the same size and the same mold, but he has a different face. The artwork's good on the sides and the background's really cool. These are from the arcade game when you select a figure, but they changed the pads to black because in the game they're the color of the bandana. But I'm gonna open them. Yeah, the background's really cool. Put that there. Like a lot of other people, I was kind of hesitant to grab these because they're so similar to the original ones. I mean, you get Chun Li, she's awesome. I'm probably gonna turn her into Karai because it's a Ninja Turtle channel. And he's got a new head sculpt. He's got black pads on arms and legs, and they have weird, like they have the black on the face, and then they continue it on the neck and on the front of the shell, but not the back of the shell, and not the arms and the legs. I was thinking they should have done Tournament Fighters or another Nintendo game or something to pair up. And they don't look like this in the gameplay, but I did a bunch of research, looked at a lot of pictures, and well, this is Leonardo. Tournament Fighters. In the title screen I'll put up, they have the black outlines on their faces, and they have faces that look kind of like this. So they did maybe get some video game reference. But otherwise, he's got all the same articulation. He's the same figure. He doesn't come with a stand. He's a darker green. I did put a clear coat of matte acrylic varnish on this guy so he was less shiny, but yeah, it's more darker green. That's good. Happy to see some differences other than the weird shell. Let's try to stand him up. That was my biggest pet peeve with these turtles. The shell is so heavy, it's really difficult to get them to stay standing up straight. And all the articulation in the feet just make it even tougher. Alright, that's one. I still have Leo and Ryu I'm gonna open up. First, TMNT vs. Cobra Kai. And this is Raph. And I only got him because I couldn't get the regular Raph that came with the Triceraton, and it went on sale for half price. So eventually I'll paint him to match these guys, so just to have his regular red bandana and stuff. But I'll say I really like how they do their human figures, playmates. I like the way these guys look a lot. Leonardo, I took off his shoulder strap because in the cartoon he doesn't have a shoulder strap. I also wanted to say, if this guy had a gi like this instead of this weird vest thing, it would be much more worth grabbing them. At least with the Street Fighter, it was a 25th anniversary special thing. Now we have the main event, I guess, Leo and Ryu. And I got this guy second. I got Mikey like a month ago. He was on sale, and I didn't have time to film this video, but then I was about to film the video, and I saw Leo and Ryu are on sale, so I grabbed them. And let's take a look. There's Ryu. He looks awesome. He's got swivel, shoulder. It will go, but it's pretty stuck right now. There we go. Oh, it's clicking, so it stays nice. I like that. Head goes up and down and around. So it's got double knee. The foot has a swivel and a tilt and a rocker and everything. The waist turns. Not all the way around, but as much as a normal person could turn. So yeah, he's great. I really like the human figures. Can't think of what I might do with him. Probably keep him Ryu, because he's always my go-to in Street Fighter, because my name's Ryan, and His name's Ryu. So we got Mikey and Mikey. So his sheaths don't really want to go into the back there. Oh, his foot came off. That's an easy fix. Just pop on. Yeah, no problem there. Yeah, that's a face that only a mother would love. But like, I'll put more screenshots of Tournament Fighters. I have the NES game, or the SNES game, and he's got kind of the black around the mouth there. But then in the title screen, they've got faces kind of like this. Pretty cool. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. Something video game. I think I'm gonna do these guys the clone versions of the turtle from the game, and I think that's the direction I go. They have like purple skin, and yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do with them. So looking at them now, they kind of resemble Tournament Fighters, which is what they should resemble because they're with Leo. Need coffee. So now that I have them in hand, I can say they are pretty different. So the shell is darker, the colors are slightly darker than the normal ones. The arms, it looked like they just got taken and swapped from Cobra Kai collection, but the Cobra Kai ones are different. They have different sculpts of the head. I knew that before I bought them. But yeah, there are more differences than just the black. The actual plastic is cast a slightly darker color. I think they're pretty dope. I mean, the teeth are creepy with the black outline, I think. I might change that, but I'll do purple. Okay. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Cooler than I expected, I guess. I mean, they're kind of creepy with these faces. But in the game, on that screen, they're kind of creepy. I might have done them more to match the actual gameplay, but I'm going to do the clone ones instead. So next week will be that 12-inch Battle Shell Leo, or it might only be 10-inch, but that's okay. He's still pretty big. I'm going to be working on him. He's going to be a foot Leo. I almost forgot that I had a 7th toy to open up, but I did turn off the camera, and that gave me a chance to reset up these guys. So I got the Raph out and the bad guy from Cobra Kai. I have this. This is not a Ninja Turtle, but I was doing some Christmas shopping, and it was Black Friday deals, and this was only $5. The Rock as Black Adam. Let's open them up. Here he is, Black Adam, 12-inch. He's got a lot of cool details. I haven't watched the movie yet, but I anticipate after I do, I'll want to customize this guy. He's got a lot of great detail in the suit I can bring out. We'll see. This is what they all look like laid out. I'll see you next week, and I'm going to be doing the big Battle Shell Leo, and I'll see you then. Until then, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.